Alright my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV, and this na me don come your screen with breaking news. Me don come your domot with another legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside this our nation Nigeria. And as I'm talking to you right now, my good people, another power play don happen again for inside Rivers State. You know say the Nigerian police force last take control of the People's Democratic Party secretariat wey dey for Aba Road for Port Harcourt, wey be the capital of Rivers State. And this development so dey happen sake of the political beef, sake of the kwata wey dey sup between the Rivers State governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara and his predecessor wey be the now minister of the Federal Capital Territory, and I'm talking about Wike. And these two mature men na dey die for party structure for inside Rivers State. Then for the afternoon hours of Thursday wey be the 16th day of January for inside this year 2025, one tactical unit of the Rivers State Police Command can deploy a special squad to the area, to the place where the People's Democratic Party plastered their secretariat for Aba Road that side. And this special squad, my good people, they can block one section of the road, and they can use one of their patrol van to block the main entrance to the secretariat. Then the police can last they restrict access, they prevent any individual from entering the premises. The blockade now by the special squad, it can cause traffic flow. It can make motorists them, that is countrymen who they drive, can they use one single lane. And we all know say that Aba Road is busy where motorists they pass waiting no good. But because they can manage, they use one lane, it can make hold up, come plaster. Like this now, my good people. The crisis where they sup for inside Rivers State chapter of the People's Democratic Party, it don't take a new turn. It did not enter new gear on Wednesday, will be the 15th day of January for inside this year 2025. Sake of say new leadership can emerge. New leadership don't come board for inside the party. You know say the Rivers State High Court sack the country person where they go by the name RI0US and his executive committee. And the court can appoint Oga Robinson Ewo as the acting chairman. And as Oga Robinson they address the party members, in con dey yarn say Oga RI0US is no longer recognized as the People's Democratic Party Rivers State chairman, but he still continue as chairman of the Grassroots Development Initiative. Then after every Oga Robinson can dey make declaration wey sweet the belle of many Rivers State people. Oga Robinson can dey yarn say the Rivers State governor will be Siminalayi Fubara. He will remain the leader of the People's Democratic Party for inside Rivers State, and that's now by virtue of his position as governor. Make nobody dey whine yourself or whine another person. The reason say now the minister of FCT will be Wike, now be the ruler of the People's Democratic Party for inside Rivers State. Anyhow, this matter be you for body, my good people. Feel free make it drop inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another legit intel with my table like this one, need share give the general public. And this intel, my good people, now updates concerning Nnamdi Kanu case. And the cocoa now be say one former director of the Department of State Services will be DSS, the man they go by the name Mike Ejiofor, on Thursday will be the 16th day of January for inside this year 2025. It don't come aside now. They urge the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria will be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, say making unconditionally release Nnamdi Kanu will be the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. And Oga Mike Ejiofor now they urge our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration to consider a political solution to resolve the insecurity challenges across the southeast. Speaking on Tori People their channel, the former DSS director can call for the prioritization of security challenges for inside our green country, maybe Nigeria. He now can lament. Say like this now, unknown government just give innocent people RIP anyhow for inside the southeast region. And the unknown government they claim say that they fight for Nnamdi Kanu. So now Oga Ejiofor the yarn they give our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration. Say they're supposed to prioritize the issue of our security challenges, because last if you touch like the matter proper, you go see and say some kind security challenges na political something, while others they require kinetic and non-kinetic approaches. For instance, if they don't achieve a lot for inside the northeast, until recently when they can start to get some kind isolated cases them, then when they look at the northwest, where they get issues of Lakurama And after their initial appearance, tori pipo or many country pipo sef never even hear plenty about their operations. Men never even hear about the Lakorama, their movement, and this na because of the activities of both intelligence and security forces. But when you come to the southeast, him now wey be Ejiofor dey reason say the government suppose take the initiative to find a political solution to the issue for inside the southeast region, especially with regard to the unknown gunmen and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And im dey strongly dey appeal to the government so make dem use this opportunity to unconditionally release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and make all of us see wetin go happen. Because now the unknown government dey use the excuse of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to dey give unexpected RIP to innocent country pipo, and the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in question don condemn these actions. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don come outside come speak against the sit-at-home movement wey dey happen for inside the southeast region. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don come outside come yarn say im hand no follow for any sit-at-home movement o, e no dey in support of that level. Make dem just kuku count am out, because e no fit dey fight for the people of the southeast with one hand, then with the other hand im dey destroy their economy and their means of livelihood. So this man good people na wetin Mike Ejiofor wey be the former director of the Department of State Services dey yarn dey give our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu matter. Like this now, this man dey genuinely dey call for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu release, and in the yarn dey give our president make him see reasons why im gatz order the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wey be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. And he say if the last release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, e fit serve as a major solution to ending the insecurity and criminality wey dey grow across the southeast region. And no be lie my good people, the jaguda men now wey dey do jaguda business for inside the southeast region, all of them dey yarn say they dey do am because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wey dey in detention, wey dey in captivity. So if last na the federal government come release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, many dey believe say the criminality and the jaguda movement wey dey happen for inside the region go calm down, because if true they dey work for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they no go see reasons to promote violence. But this my good people no be the first time wey be say they dey call for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and we wey be Anointed Lady TV we no sure say this go be the last time wey they go call for the release of the supreme leader of IPOB. The koko now be say make our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu lis ten to the cause Kwanu. This my good people na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV, now we dey like give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside the nation Nigeria. So if you like this our update and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more news dey come, now you go first get the intel and you go even receive am sharp. And the comments I dey give to on that legit news for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.